Good afternoon, this is Frank Mandarano. It's Tuesday, October 8th, 2019, and I'm here at BE Engineering, the former Bugatti service department of the EB110, and this is one amazing place, as you are about to see. These guys are the official service outlet for the EB110, and here they are right here. There's several cars here being prepared and serviced. Let's just take a quick walk through. Silver one. Here's a dark gray one. Lovely, lovely car. The traditional blue. Over here you can see engines. There's an original engine block that has not been machined yet. And here's some camshafts and heads. And here's an engine block being serviced. Look at these gigantic rotors. And let's continue our walkthrough here. Several cars over here in for service. Some of them have gone to the USA as they are now 25 years old and can be imported. There's silver car. Some of the cars there undercover. Here's one of these Edonises, that they're producing. Very interesting looking car. And over here is some bucks, modeling bucks for producing bodies. You can see that they're doing the wiring, the steel wire over the wood in order to form the shapes.
They just put them where they actually.
And in here, there's another EB110.
Has it got a little key in the front?
And then over here, some bodies being built. These guys are amazing. It's an interesting body. Looks to me like part of a GTO, second series. Here's a body buck. And then if we look up on the wall, we see some aluminum bits being produced. Over here, looks like a fuel tank.
When they make these,
Beautiful.
kind of a sealant in between here, are they just held together with these rivets?
It's like a recreation of a GTO. And here's a little wire model of a GTO being made for sale. Automobilia. Sheet metal shop. Here's the wire buck for the GTO. Second series. Look at that. Beautiful. Here at BE Engineering in the outskirts of Modena, this is Frank Mandarano saying ciao.